Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you very much for this opportunity, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Next, would you like to tell me what happened? What did you do after completion of our class yesterday? Could you explain?
Yes, sir. I will explain you, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
First, what did you do?
I went to my home
Yeah,
and relaxed for some time,
okay.
and then I prepared tea. I offered my husband,
Oh,
and I drank tea, and then I freshed.
fresh it up.
I freshed up, and I did puja,
Okay.
and then my friends are called.
Yeah, friends called me
Friends called me.
and did they come?
Yes, sir. They came, sir. They came yesterday night to my house, sir.
Okay.
They asked,
Yeah,
please
give me.
give me snacks and other things.
Okay. Did you offer?
Yes, sir. I offered, sir.
Yeah.
I prepared bhaji and tea, sir.
Oh,
They
eight.
ate and
How?
happy, sir.
Oh, how did they feel?
They feel very happy, sir.
They felt very happy.
They felt very happy, sir.
Okay, nice one. After?
After that, I offered dinner, sir.
Okay.
They asked me to prepare chapati and kurma.
Oh,
So I told them I will prepare for some time.
okay.
Please wait and chit chat
Sometime.
sometime.
Oh. And did
We
you
are chit chatting for 1 hour.
Oh, yeah.
After that,
What about your chit chat, ma'am?
my olden days and childhood days,
Your flashback.
their children's problems and situations,
And then
and my family matters, all
chit chatted.
chatted, sir.
Okay. After, ma'am, next, did you prepare?
I prepared kurma and chapati, sir.
Oh,
They ate and appreciate me, sir.
okay. Appreciated.
Next time I will set that procedure, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Nice, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much,
You
sir.
enjoyed a lot at last.
I enjoyed last night, sir.
Okay, ma'am.